With all this stuff going on in the world, I'm tired of waiting. This is the bracket they sent me that's wrong for Blackstone. I have a piece of really thin aluminum. It's about half the thickness of this, but excuse me, it should work. So what I did, I don't know if you see it. There it goes. So I took a scribe, little pick. Since it's aluminum, it's really soft. I just laid it down on it. Let's see. Lay it backwards, because I need them the opposite direction. This piece right here needs to be over here. So I'm just flipping it over, doing a backwards template. And I'm going to try to cut them out. I'm going to try to drill these holes as perfect as I can. This side's going to be the fun part. See that? So you can see it better on this side. So I have to cut this line right here, make a circle here, and then come back up and go this way. And then it's got this weird shape here that I guess is for the flip. The shelves are supposed to flip up and fold down, which they'll probably never ever fold down while I own it, but I'm gonna make them anyways the same way, just in case. Let's see if I can make this set of brackets myself. Never done it, but we're gonna try. Okay, so not perfect, but I think they're gonna work. Like I said, I don't flip my, what do you call it? I don't plan on flipping my shelves down. I'll probably do a little bit more work right there on that edge, but not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna see if they'll bolt up, see if I can get my shelves on. Y'all check it out. Side shelves are finally on. Tired of waiting on Blackstone. There's that homemade bracket that I made. You can see it. Something else I noticed while I was doing it is Blackstone didn't include the bottom screws. They only included 4 of these screws in the kit. This is the only parts I have left are these washers right here. I don't know why I have them left, but anyways, I'm not going to worry about it. It's plenty firm and sturdy for what I need. Also, check this out. So those are wind guards. I'm still using my old brackets because hopefully Blackstone will eventually send me the parts after all this mess gets done with the world. But I ordered those off of a guy on Facebook. There's a Blackstone Facebook group. So he had them for a deal. And they're authentic. Let's see. See? Blackstone 32-inch griddle wind guards. They were $20 plus shipping. Actually, they may have been $30 including shipping. I had to go back and look and see what I paid him, but that's his name. Sean Hawthorpe, however you say it. Yeah, that. That's like trying to say Worcestershire sauce. I think I pretty much got that word down, but I'm not sure I'm saying it right still, just like everybody else. So, anyways, I'm going to pull my stickers off. I don't really want them on there, so I'm going to pull them off, and I'm going to fit the new griddle cover that I purchased when I purchased the griddle like 3 months ago or something. So it's been sitting in the box in my living room floor waiting to be put on. I've been waiting on those side shelves, and Finally just broke down and made my own brackets. You can see there. It fits just like I need it to fit. Not worried about how pretty it is, because like I said, Blackstone will eventually get caught up and send me my new ones, and I'll put the original parts back on the griddle and get rid of those. But I'm really happy to have my side shelves. They let's see, they have been needed very much. Let me see if I can hold this down. Looks like somebody cut through the lining too. Look at that. I tell you, this experience buying a Blackstone griddle has been a nightmare. I'm really happy with the griddle itself. Let me back you up so I'm seeing all up in my face. I'm really happy with the griddle, but dang, this one gets stuck. Hang on, let me put the phone down. I'm happy with the griddle. Not happy whatsoever with their communication. I know that it's got to be just a coincidence that I happened to buy one. Sorry, ambulance. I don't know if it's just that I happened to buy one right before this CV started in China, or if they legit just wanted to push me around. I don't know. I've heard all kinds of people talking on the Facebook group about how great Blackstone's customer service is. Well, Jimmy's Jeep Stead will tell you my customer service experience was garbage. Absolute garbage. And as I stated in a previous video, the lady that runs the warranty department or the company that they use, whoever, she was very rude on the emails back and forth between me and her, and she kept trying to blame it on this virus, saying that Blackstone is assembled in China and that they had to wait, yada yada yada. They had to get the brackets from China. China was shut down, so they couldn't give me the brackets. So China's back up and rolling, and I still don't have an email. And I'm sure they're behind, because I know I can't be the only one that bought a Blackstone griddle, 36-inch, with 4 left-hand brackets for the griddle shelves. But at the same time, I'm also not the only one that owns a Blackstone. And all you people going out and buying griddles from Walmart, Sam's Club, wherever, you're opening them up and you're getting exactly what's supposed to be in the package. I didn't. So that's why I made this video and wanted to show you what I did to kind of help myself in my own situation, since I've got the skills to fabricate. So I went ahead and made my own. But anyways, I'm gonna get this cover pulled out real quick and cover this thing up. I already put a thin coat of oil on the griddle surface. I'm gonna put my cover over the griddle and then put the actual griddle cloth cover over the entire thing. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the griddle top. It fits nice, even with the wind guards. I really like that. And it's full of pollen. All of our dogwood trees and stuff are blooming here in Georgia. So let me show you what this cover looks like. And that's it. It's got these, I don't know if you see it, there's a circle right there. and it looks like they may have put extra padding in the corners to where it can pull tight on them. There's one right there too, right here, on all four corners of the cover. But this will help me keep the pollen and stuff off of the griddle when it's not being used. So that's that, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave me some comments on the bottom. Let me know what kind of stuff y'all are cooking on your Blackstone. I like to try new things, so definitely hit me up and let me know, and we'll see you on the next video.